Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how you can add bots to your Discord server. So basically there's multiple bots that does a lot of things in Discord and they are so useful. There is music bots that add music to your channel. There is some other stuff that can be really interesting to hear. So for example, there is this one which is called Vexera, which makes music. There is this BT bot that makes some memes and stuff and pictures and funny stuff. There is some other like anime spoilers that can actually make some news about your anime. There is a lot of stuff that you can actually add to your server. There is this giveaway bot, there is Karuta bot, there is Mario's bot, Midjourney bot, and much a lot of bots that you can actually add to your server. So how you can guys actually add these bots to your server? So it is pretty simple. Let's go to here, to any browser that you have on your PC, and from it what you're gonna do is just search for Discord bot and make sure that you have the name of the Discord bot in your brain. So for example, let's search here for the Discord bot as well. So here, let's see if there is any bot that we can use. So this is the Dark Memer, this is the Uwo, Soccer Guru, Dive into Football, Soccer Protection, Live Soccer, etc. Here is Sophie, Pokemon. Anyway, you can choose whatever you want from here. So let's choose, for example, this Pro bot. So let's click on invite, and from here you have to give your account. So let's go through my other thing. So let's go through here and let's paste this here and let's give it the access to our account. So everything Minecraft, a wonderful feature of rich Minecraft community. Okay, this is good. Or okay, Discord bots, and here we choose, for example, Karuta or Adventure Fortnite fonts here, and we add invite. Now after we click on invite, we give it the name of the server. So let's give it the kingdom, and here we click on continue, authorize, and we do the captcha. Let's make sunflower. So sunflower, then sunflower, verify. Now after we've done, the bot will be in our server. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually add bots into your server. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.